Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice black color, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the STX Black Appearance Package and the Mobile Office Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera. We do get mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board with blind spot detection. You have mud flaps on the front, a nice black hood deflector, 2 tow hooks, there's a block heater back there, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice dark gray and lime green cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back, cup holders, a 12-volt, 2 USB-Cs, and 120. And of course, if you need more space, you can always lift up the seats. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats. The same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. You have your parking brake and lights on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 41 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume voice, and cruise control. Looking at your main screen here, you do have My View, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Over here we have tons of storage, with storage underneath, cup holders, more storage, USB and USB-C, a nice leather-wrapped center console that does turn into an interior work surface, as well as does flip up this way for more storage, of course. We have a rear locking differential, 4-wheel drive, trailer brake. You have your climate controls just down here, a 12-volt and 120. You got storage above with the nice F-150 logo with storage below. We do have tons of storage above. We have our auto stop, auto start, backup camera, hazards, and traction. And looking at our main screen here, we do have our audio, which does come equipped with Sirius XM capabilities. We have our phone, navigation, your fave apps, messaging, email, whatever you have selected. Apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. Settings. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE62599, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.